Okay, let's take a look at a couple of new Zippos. Just came in today or yesterday. Now this video is brought to us by Jurassic World, The Fallen Kingdom. Probably the worst Jurassic World ever produced. And one other thing, this is the second season of Unforgettable. It's an interesting little TV show. But those are our sponsors today. So the first Zippo is, all it says is Zippo logo on it. It's in the normal Zippo black box and it says Zippo logo. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And this is a very plain Zippo, nothing special about the insert. It's on a plain black matte finish, but it does have the Zippo logo on the lid, which is really nice. And it was made in D of 19, which is April of 19. This has got really good stampings. Sounds good. Steel insert. Lights up real nice. Let's do a quick drop test on this little Zippo. And you can see some of the solid color Zippos that I have in my collection right back there. I have quite a few of them. From pink to yellow to red to green. They make quite a few solid color Zippos, and they're one of the most inexpensive. So let's do a drop test on this. There we go, one drop test passed. Now let's take a look at the second Zippo. It's also in the normal Zippo black box, and this thing has been labeled 3 times, and the original label says DIN, which is probably the right label to begin with, and it's a genuine Zippo, and the relabel says Never Forget Dinosaur, and it's a custom Zippo lighter. So here is the Never Forget Zippo. It's on a black matte finish. And this one was made in F of 2018, which I believe is June. Really nice stampings on this one. And that is just a sticker on there. Good sound. Steel insert, lights up really nice. Let's do a drop test on this one. Okay, so the Never Forget Zippo passes the drop test. It's more like a novelty one. That's a nice one though. Good for my collection. And definitely deserves a little cowbell. Maybe even a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.